guys, it's me Angela and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna share my own experience how I changed myself when I got shifted to my new school. So it was the time when I was in 5th grade when I changed my school. So basically I'm gonna tell the differences between my old school and my new school. So when I was in 5th grade, I'm gonna call that school a luxurious school because it was very luxurious. It has a very huge building. It has 4 or I think 5 playgrounds, football ground. It has volleyball ground. It has tennis ground. It has a ground for small children. It has a playway ground and also has a very beautiful that sand ground, like it's full of sand, and we usually play and make things out of it, like something like this. You might be aware of it. And then like a very different kind of environment, a cool environment, I would say. So it has a huge library, it has a beautiful classrooms, and even though we have a resource room. And what happened that when we organize any activity, we usually perform all the things there. You can say it's a kind of auditorium in our school. So we also like it has a very different type of I would say way of teaching. I was in that school when I was in UKG. So there we have lots and lots of games. We don't carry bags, we don't carry books to the school. All the material, even our pencil cases and everything's is already there in the school. We don't have to carry anything. We just carry a lunch box and a water bottle, that's it. So what happened when I go to the school, it takes 2.5 hours to reach there. So it has, first of all, like when I enter the school, like everybody wishes me like so nicely, everybody greets very like a very gentle way. And it has very unique environment that I have never seen. So like when I entered the school, it has like very new people greet very nicely there. And usually we have a very nice morning assembly there. And it has a very nice ground like where we usually pray. It has a slopes like first grade, second grade, third, fourth, fifth, and then to the second place it has fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Then it has this kind of ground. And we usually write everything on the blackboard or use whiteboard. We usually don't use notebooks there. We usually use the loose sheets, we use colorful pages. We don't even carry books or anything to the home. We usually like teachers usually gave us printing sheets. We usually solve some there, we usually come back and go to the school. We have same kind of routine. It was very, like, I was very happy that the school is very very different. Like I've never seen this kind of environment there. So every month we usually have a very nice trip. It's a free trip. We usually see the places, temples, or we go for a movie. Like it was free. We don't have to pay for that. So we got a change every month. We have a very nice change. They organize competitions. Like every month we have 1 or 2 competitions, poem competition, singing competition, these kind of thing. It boosts our confidence also. Usually we do something else than study. We like study is necessity, this is beyond the study. We do something else, boost our I would say to overcome our stage fear and all these kind of things. Also they organize a night campus, like it's for night camp. Like we usually stay in the school, we had fun, we usually eat there, we spend times with our teachers, our friends, all these kind of people. We stay whole night in the school. These kind of environment. Also there we don't have a grading system. It doesn't have that you are first you are second, you are third, they give you A1, A2. So we don't have that kind of competitions. It's like, okay, you just need to score A1. Okay, I got A1. Usually I score A1, yes, A1 or maybe A2, but I never scored A2. Mostly I was always a A1 student. So they have a category of good people also, that okay, these children are good in studies, so the okay. But they, it's not something like this that you have to be first in the class. We don't have this kind of competition in our heart, like okay, you know, you have to be first, you have to work more hard than that person. So it was like okay. And also like it takes 2.5 hours to reach that school, so also it was a hurdle. Like my parents thought that it takes like lots of time, you know, it's consumed, like you just spend like 2.5 hours going, 2.5 hours coming, like it's consumed lots and lots of time. I was like, okay, if it's a good school, I feel very comfortable there. It was a very, I would say, different environment. I've never seen these kind of environment in our school. Like everything was very organized. Like they organize even science exhibitions, they organize sports exhibitions, like all these kind of things. It was very, I would say, a fun type of experience. Also that school was pretty good. It has a very good staff, you know, very good staff. So I was very happy there. So what happened after my 5th grade, my parents told me that, you know what, I think that you should change your school. So the main reason was just because that school was very far away. Like it was 2.5 hours to reach there. So my parents were thinking that this is not working, huh? This is very hard, that you have to travel a lot. Like when you'll you know, complete your 5th on then like after 5th you have to do your 6th, 7th, 8th, and study burden also increase. And how will you do it? So they told me that okay, now you have to shift to a local school. Like that local school was also very good. Like it was also a good school, but not comparatively to that school. It was like still not that much of I would say luxurious type of thing also, but it's okay, I cope up. So what happened in that school, they don't have any like lots of grounds. It has hardly 2 grounds, even we don't usually go there. And also it doesn't have any, I would say, night camp. It doesn't even have any competitions there. It doesn't have any trips like we usually go to trips. We go to trips a lot, like a lot. I don't have any, I would say, I cannot even count how many times we have gone to a trip, you know, a long trips or short trips of one day. Like we usually go. But here we don't have any these kind of trips. It's like you just have to stay. There are different people also around. They are like, you will never meet these kind of people. They are local children, so they are like different. And those children are of I would say a rich people, maybe like what I think. So there, like when I got shifted to that school, I feel like this is very different, this is out of my comfort zone. But here also there was very nice staff, you know, very I would say reputed staff. It has a very good teachers. I love you know, my teachers there, because they were so good in teaching. So I enjoyed there also. But the thing is, what I learned there is like this school has a competition. So you have to be first, you have to be second, or you have to be third. Otherwise you're like, okay, you are good in studies, not that much. They have a competition spirit, that okay, are you are the topper of the school, so you have an image, okay, this child is a topper. So it has a tag. But I never experienced that okay, I have to be a first one day, I have to work that hard. So I never worked hard that much, because I never realized that okay, this much of hard work has to be done if I wanted to be first in my class, if I wanted to be a topper. So what happened is that you have to change yourself. You have to see that okay, there it was like this, and now I got shifted, and I have to change. I have to make change in myself. I have to see what has to be done if I wanted to be comfortable in this place. So what happened is I tried to work more hard. I tried to put more time in studies. I followed all these things what my teacher gave me, that okay, you have to work this much hard, do this, okay, then you'll go very smoothly. Your syllabus will be very clear to you. You have to revise all the things. It has tests and everything. So you know, it just changes. it really, I would say it was a drastic change in my life. It just reminds me that okay, you need to have a change in your life. When you have a very change environment, then you just got to know that okay, this can also happen. You have to adjust yourself in all the ways. You have to just know that okay, my previous school was like this and now it is this, and I have to make myself comfortable there. So this was my experience. So what I was experiencing, like that I have this kind of thing that now I have to be very good in studies. So it has a competition there, that no A1 grading, no B1, no C1. You have to be first, you have to be second, you have to be third. Then you'll have that reputation in the school, or that okay, you are also a topper. So everything changes very fast. Like it just have that spirit was very important, that okay, you have to compete with all these children and see where you stand. So the previous school doesn't has this thing, and my new school has this thing. But my new school doesn't have that luxurious environment, it doesn't have that trips, it doesn't have that competition, it doesn't have that cool environment. But both things are different, but both separately are amazing in their own way. So yeah, that's it for today's video. So I just wanted to convey, like, when you got changed environment, you just step out for your comfort zone, and you just think that world can also be seen like this, and also can be seen like this. You have to make changes in your life. So in the last, I just wanted to say that you have to accept the change. You have to accept the way you are, accept the environment, and small changes are very important in your life. It teaches you something, and whatever is happening is amazing, and whatever is going to happen is amazing. So just be relaxed and be ready for the change. So I know that you will forget to like, subscribe to my channel, so I'm just reminding you. Thank you.